Now we discuss a problem. Find the characteristics functions. Find the characteristics functions of gamma L distributions. First we find characteristics function of gamma L distributions. Hence find the mean and variance. So first we find characteristics function of gamma distribution, and using the result, hence means using the above result, find mean and variance. Okay, so using the answer of 1, we have to find mean and variance. Solution. So gamma L distribution. So PDF of gamma L distribution is f of x. So PDF of gamma, this is the PDF of gamma L distribution. So PDF of gamma L distribution is e to the power minus x, x to the power L minus 1 by gamma L, where 0 less than x less than infinity and L greater than 0 and 0 otherwise. This is the PDF of gamma distribution. PDF of gamma distribution. So this is the PDF of gamma L distribution. So PDF of gamma L distribution is f of x equal to e to the power minus x to the power L minus 1 by gamma L, where 0 less than x less than infinity and L greater than 0, L be the parameter. Okay. So characteristics function of, let phi t be the characteristic function of gamma L distribution, of gamma L distributions. So formula of characteristics function is phi of t equal to expectation of e to the power ixt or itx, where I equal to root over minus 1. So this is the formula of characteristics function, expectation of e to the power itx or ixt. The formula of expectation is, since x is a continuous random variable, so formula of expectation of e to the power itx equal to e to the power itx into fx dx minus infinity to infinity, since x follows continuous distribution, and here x takes value 0 to infinity. So 0 to infinity e to the power itx fx is e to the power minus x, x to the power L minus 1 by gamma L dx. So here f of x takes value this in this interval 0 to infinity, so dx. So 0 to infinity e to the power minus of 1 minus it x, x to the power L minus 1 by gamma L dx. Let 1 minus it, this part, let 1 minus it x, let 1 minus itx equal to u. So implies dx equal to du by 1 minus it, and the limit becomes x u, when x 0, when x 0 then u also 0, when x infinity then u also infinity, then the integration becomes 0 to infinity, this is gamma L 1 by gamma L e to the power, this is u e to the power minus u, and x is u by 1 minus it. so u by 1 minus it whole to the power l minus 1 and dx is du by 1 minus it. Okay, we put the value x equal to u by 1 minus it and dx equal to du by 1 minus it. Next step is 0 to infinity, integration 0 to infinity 1 by gamma l into e to the power minus u to the power l minus 1 e to the power l minus 1 and this is 1 minus I to the power l minus 1 into 1 minus it. So this is 1 minus it whole to the power l du. Okay, so this terms is independent of u, so 1 by gamma l into 1 minus it whole to the power l 0 to infinity e to the power minus u to the power l minus 1 du. Okay, so we get 1 by gamma l into 1 by 1 minus it whole to the power l 0 to infinity e to the power minus u to the power l minus 1 du, and this is the formula of gamma l. Okay, this is the formula of gamma l. We already discussed gamma l equal to gamma l equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus x to the power l minus 1 dx. This is the formula where l greater than 0. This is the formula of gamma l. Gamma l equal to 0 to infinity to the power minus x to the power l minus 1 dx. So 0 to infinity to the power minus u to the power l minus 1 du. So this is the formula of gamma l. So next step is 1 by gamma. So next line is 1 by gamma l into 1 by gamma l by 1 minus it whole to the power l. This is gamma l. This is into gamma l. This is phi of t. Implies phi of t equal to gamma l cancel 1 by 1 minus it whole to the power l, where I equal to root over minus 1. Hence phi t equal to 1 by 1 minus it whole to the power l where I equal to root over minus 1. This is the required characteristics functions of gamma l distribution. This is the required characteristics function of gamma l distributions. Okay, this is the required. So characteristics function of gamma l distribution is 1 by 1 minus it whole to the power l. Okay, next we find mean and variance using this result. Hence means we have to calculate mean and variance using this result. Okay, so formula of mean is expectation of x, and the formula of variance is expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. So this is the formula of variance. Formula of variance is expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. So this is the formula of variance. We already discussed expectation of x to the power r equal to I to the power r phi to the power 0. Okay, where running from 0, 1, 2, 3 dot dot dot. So we already discussed, this is the result. Expectation of x to the power r equal to 1 by I to the power r phi to the power r of 0, where r running from 0, 1, 2, 3 dot dot dot. So if we put r equal to 1, we get expectation of x. If we put r equal to 2, we get expectation of x square. So first we find phi dash t, phi dash 0, phi double dash 0. Okay, so phi dash t is, if we derivative this with respect to t, we get phi dash t equal to minus L 1 minus it whole to the power minus L minus 1 into minus I. So minus L into minus I equal to Li into 1 minus it to the power minus L minus 1, and phi double dash t equal to if we derivative this phi dash t with respect to you get minus Li into L plus 1 into 1 minus it L minus 2 minus I, that is minus L into L plus 1. This I into this I is I square equal to minus 1 minus it per L minus 2, since I square equal to minus 1, since. So you already, this is the popular result. So expectation of x is 1 by, expectation of x means if we put r equal to 1, so I to the power 1 phi to the power phi dash 0. So phi dash 0 means if we put t equal to 0, we get phi dash 0. So phi dash 0 is, so I phi dash 0 is, if we put t equal to 0, we get, so phi dash 0 is Li, L into I, so L cancel, so this is L. And expectation of x square is, if we put r equal to 2, we get expectation of x square, so I square phi double dash 0. So phi double dash 0 is I square phi double dash 0. If we put t equal to 0, we get phi double dash 0 minus L into L plus 1. So I square means minus 1. So minus 1, this means minus 1 into minus L into L plus 1. So L into L plus 1. Hence mean is expectation of x equal to L, and variance is expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. So expectation of x square is L into L plus 1, and expectation of x whole square means L square. So hence we get, after calculation this. So this is the required mean and this is the required variance. Okay.